Want to color correct and care like a pro? Our model has light brown colored hair. To neutralize unwanted orange reflex, use blue Chroma Creme shampoo. Thoroughly pre-rinse the hair. Put your gloves on to protect your hands. Apply the same quantity of product than with your regular shampoo. On wet hair, apply the product evenly from root to tip. Emulsify until a rich blue foam appears. Wait for 5 to 15 minutes until full color correction is achieved. Check that all warm reflex have been neutralized. Rinse thoroughly until all blue dyes have been removed. Remember to use Chroma Creme shampoo between salon visits to color correct and care like a pro. Discover your Chroma Creme now. Shop online or in your L'Oréal Professionnel salon.